I woke up this morning with jaw pain, and I don't remember doing anything special last night. So these are for the people that always have this jaw pain, not necessarily when they're eating, not necessarily after they just been yelling at everybody. It's only when they somehow wake up. We're going to talk about these simple things you can do to have extraordinary results. Start one. We want to make sure we have a proper pillow. All right, we're going to get rid of that pillow we had since college. We're going to get rid of that pillow we had for 2-3 years, or our parents had. Okay, I want you to have a proper pillow that covers the distance between the surface of the bed coming up to where your head and your ear should meet it. That way you have a proper gap and it should be smooth. Now, we also want to make sure, as that gap is going, want to make sure our head is properly secured, because if it's not, what's going to happen is our neck is going to push down and it's going to creating a lot more tension. Once again, putting too much pressure on that jawbone, or what we call the mandible. Okay, so we want to make sure that's properly supported. If you notice that you need a little more support, we're going to try another thing, which we're creating 2 specific points of pressure relief. We're going to take a small towel. We're going to put it underneath our abdomen, right there. Okay, now what you notice is where the pillow is and where the abdomen is, right underneath your side. You're going to notice where we have 2 points of structure, which allows that spine to stay straight through the night. Lastly, for the jaw pain people, we're going to see, I want the pillow to point slightly down towards the side you're looking. Okay, that way we go along the joint versus just putting straight side pressure, causing a bunch of issues. Okay, give this a try. You're going to see amazing results. It's helped hundreds and hundreds of people. I'm Dr. Cannon. See you soon.